If I don't finish lunch today, mother, don't worry. If I don't come home today, mother, don't grieve. If you never see me again, mother, don't cry. If they lay me in my coffin today, mother, don't die. A very good morning to respected principal, teachers, and all my dear audience. I'm here to tell the tragedy that took place on 16th of December 2014. The month of December reminds us of the Army Public School misfortune that took place in Peshawar. This day holds a special place in the hearts of every Pakistani. On this black day, more than 144 people, including innocent students, were gunned down by the monsters disguised human attire, who did not think for a second before killing a child. It is said as 16 December is not the black day of Pakistan. 16 December is also the black day of terrorists, because this is the last day of terrorism. Worthy principal, now 7 years have gone by since the APS incident, but still the catastrophe is unforgettable. Even though today, whenever we watch those clips and glimpses of that atrocious attack, we still get goosebumps, as we cannot even imagine and begin to understand the depressed condition of those mothers of martyred children. Worthy headmistress, we cannot even fathom the feelings the mother must be going through when their children were snatched from the lap by extremists. It was one of the most horrific days in the history of Pakistan, when terrorists opened fire on the defenseless little angels who would have never even in their wildest imagination would have thought that they would be the victims of such an attack. Allah has said in His holy book, killing of an innocent person is equal to the killing of all the humanity. Respected teachers, the images of those bloodied classrooms and uniforms clearly depicted the helpless situation of those people who had faced the terror. The nation remember the martyrs of Army Public School and emphasize their families. They will always remember in our hearts. Dear audience, we have not wasted the blood of martyrs, as we salute them for their courage and braveness and pray to Allah that the world never have to witness a day like this again. It is said as, education is the most powerful weapon. Education is the most powerful weapon. We can use it to change the world. Worthy principal, the APS tragedy had led to the historic national unity and promoted the nation to make a firm resolve for unanimously launching a decisive action against the terrorists. May Allah show the right path to terrorists. If they don't deserve it, may Allah destroy them. May Allah give strength to parents of martyr students. May Allah save Pakistan from all internal and external controversies. Thanks a lot.